On the eve of the Second Continental Congress, young Thomas Jefferson stepped forward, unaware he was about to help define America. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Thomas Jefferson was born in 1743 in colonial Virginia, into a planter family where land, learning, and ambition shaped his world. Jefferson excelled in languages, mathematics, music, and philosophy. Books were his refuge, and ideas would become his weapon. Studying law under George Wythe, Jefferson absorbed Enlightenment thought, natural rights, liberty, and the limits of government power. At Monticello, Jefferson designed a home reflecting order and reason, while managing plantations that tied him to slavery and contradiction. As Parliament tightened control, Jefferson wrote fiercely against British authority, arguing that liberty was a natural right, not a royal gift. In 1775, Jefferson was sent to the Second Continental Congress, quiet, reserved, but armed with words that would shape a nation. Though soft-spoken, Jefferson's clarity stood out. Fellow delegates soon turned to him to express the cause in writing. Before independence was declared, Jefferson had already become its voice, ready to turn ideas into history.